Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to add battery widget on Android. If you are using an Android phone and you want to add battery widget something like this, so you just need to install an application because this widget isn't available in Android devices. So go to Play Store app, go to search bar, and here you just have to search for battery widget for Android. Just search for it and then you have to install this application. As you can see, I have already installed it. Just tap on open and then it will be open to your phone, and here you just have to tap on add widget and then select the widget type. Then I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it and then tap on add automatically, and then it will be add to your home screen. So that's how you can add widget on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.